In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Arc tool in Figma. Start by creating an ellipse. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar, or press O on your keyboard. Then click and drag on the canvas. If you want a perfect circle, hold Shift as you drag. Make it large enough to see the edges clearly. That will make the next controls easier to grab. If you need precise sizing, you can always check the width and height in the right side panel after you draw. Next, activate the arc handles. Hover your pointer over the circle's outline until a small white dot appears on the edge. That dot is the arc handle. If you don't see it right away, zoom in a bit and make sure you've selected the ellipse, not a different layer. This feature is specific to ellipses. Now, create an arc or pie shape by clicking and dragging that white arc handle along the edge. As you drag, you'll see the sweep of the circle open and close, giving you a live preview of the angle you are setting. Stop when you've got the slice or arc you want. This is a non-destructive adjustment, so you can always drag again to fine-tune without losing your original shape. To turn that into a ring or donut, look for the handle labeled ratio near the center of the ellipse and drag it toward the middle. Moving it inward cuts out a hollow center and sets the thickness of the ring. Drag it outward if you want a thicker band. Because the ratio is percentage-based, the ring's thickness stays proportional, even if you resize the overall shape later. Finally, adjust the start angle by grabbing the handle labeled Start on the perimeter and dragging it around the circle. This rotates where the arc begins, which is great for aligning a gauge, setting a specific direction for a loading indicator, or matching a chart segment to other design elements. Keep an eye on the snapping guides as you rotate. They help you land on common angles and align with other objects. With these adjustments, creating an ellipse, revealing the arc controls, setting the sweep, dialing in the ratio for a donut, and rotating the start, you can build precise, reusable shapes in seconds. Experiment with different sizes, colors, and strokes to fit your design system. And remember, you can always revisit any handle to refine the shape later. Thanks for watching.